Huh? Just put it right here. Just drop it. Shit. You got that? You drop all the tools everywhere. Hey guys, what's going on? So today, last thing on the agenda is to replace the black vinyl flooring. The steps for this is we got to take out the seat. Then I got to sand out the little bit of surface rust that's in there. I got some really aggressive sanding paper, probably a little bit too aggressive for this project, but I think it'll work. And then I'll hit it with some rust primer on that area after I clean it. And then what happens, I'll let that dry, and then we'll start putting everything back in, and then we'll bolt everything back up, and we'll essentially be good to go. Will it go that easy? Probably not, but we got a good early start today. And then we have to work on we're gonna wash both trucks too as well, because the pollen out here, the damn trees are just coming all over everything. Like my truck is a slight tint of yellow, and so is the blue truck now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Got Justin out here early as fuck too. All right, bro. Seats out. Now you see the sanding that we had to do. A little bit of sanding here and there. The rust spots there. And then just once you get that started, we're gonna blow it out. Then going to sand it, and then spray paint it, and then lay all this new shit in.
Oh shit!
What? You need me to come over there and start it?
No, but I gonna start when you filming something.
Just get started. Okay, guys, got it sanded and spray painted now. So now we gotta let the spray paint dry. Mostly just like around these areas, like where your feet were, and then over there as well. And then Justin's washing the blue truck now because he's taking that over. That my neighbor dog is. That little one's an asshole, bro. What you dropping?
Nothing you.
Oh shit. And then this is almost dry already, so we're gonna let this dry. Then we're gonna put in the carpet piece. I think we had to pull out the back seat. I'm not really sure. We'll find out. I think we do though, just to make it easier. And I know we have to pull out the stick, the big stick. I don't know about dog leg. I'm not really sure about the plastic. I think we pull out the plastic as well. So we got that done. And then both trucks, like I said earlier, like yellow. I just need to really see it. It's just like stupid dirty. Okay, Justin's pressure washing the blue truck now. I'm gonna do mine later, but this is the I guess kind of like the soft pad layer, and it's like mainly just like random shit. Like it has like carpet pieces and fuzz. Basically, this is like a big ass piece of lint out the dryer. I think I have this right, kinda. Like I think this is where my shifter knobs go, right there. I think, and then that over there, that piece mounts up over there, and I think this right here. Not really sure. What I have to do now is I have to take this shit apart right here and then kind of work around that. I'm not really sure how that goes yet. And then I also gave you these two back pieces. I guess these are for like the back floorboard and stuff like that. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna figure out this shit now and then check back in with you. And then so this goes on the bottom, kind of like a padding, and then you put on the top piece as well. And then yeah, do I know what I'm talking about? No, not really, but shit, we'll figure it out. Let's see how it's going over here. Man, bro, she's looking a lot better. Boy, that's that little bitty. Do what? Ladder? Oh, true. Yeah, boy, here's the other side. Hey, boy, she's dirty. Both my trucks are long bed, too. Holy shit. Long beds only. Because you got to put a stack in them. So I'm putting in like the sound deadener right now, which is like, you know, like that carpet mat I showed you. And I'm not very impressed because it seems like they just gave you like a free form. Basically, they just cut you out like a piece of fabric and said, figure it out on your own. So there's like no guidelines at all, at all. And so I feel like, you know, the vinyl piece is gonna be just the same way. And I kind of understand, but at the same time I don't. Like, there's no guidelines at all, like how to cut it. So you gotta like wing it like the whole, fuck, I cannot see. So you gotta like wing it like the whole way, and I'm really dreading putting in the vinyl now. So I was gonna unplug or unscrew and take out the dust cover, but I figured let me leave that in. So I put that back in after, you know, talking with the council, which is me, myself, and I. So I'm trying to figure out now. Bro, it's really like the piece of fabric is huge, like the vinyl piece of fabric. Now I'll drag it out here in the yard in a minute. I don't know, maybe I might just throw it in here and say fuck it. But yeah. It's gonna be like this fitting to be just like everything else, bro. It's fitting to be a bitch. Because like I said, there's no pre-cut fiber. Like they give you like a piece of paper and it comes in like a box. Like it just comes in that box right there. Where's my arm? There it is. It comes in that box right there, and they just roll it up and send it to you. And I think it was like mine was close to like 170, I think, like afterwards, because they charge you $18 extra if you have an extended cab. So for like a few more square feet, you get charged like $18 extra, which is cool, I guess. But that was one. Ooh, shit, that's a razor blade. That's like one of the hiccups like I had in mind. That was like the order, because mine was an extended cab and I didn't see the option apparently or something like that. So like when I called their help desk people, they was like, yeah, that's why you haven't received it yet, and it's been like 2 weeks. I don't know. I'm probably gonna say I'm gonna give my honest opinion at the end of this and let you know how it is. But yeah, I butchered this, boys. Honestly, I butchered this so far. This bottom piece, but really don't matter because nobody's really gonna see this piece. It's just kind of like if you hit like metal and shit like that, like you won't hear like that. It'll be like more dead and like this. So it's kind of like the hardwoods, or not the hardwood, but like the hard metal sound. What I have so far, I pretty much just like ripped that because it doesn't even need to go up there. It's like in the floor right here, and then it goes over there as well. And then I cut out the slots for like the 2 front seats, like you need like these holes right here covered, and I put that back into as well. And then they give you like these rectangle pieces right here, just I guess like put in the back or whatever the hell you're supposed to do with it. And they sent me 2, so I don't know why the hell they sent 2, because I mean one's gonna cover like where you need to put your feet, and we went ahead and pulled out the back seat as well, because yeah. Then let's go in here and look at this. So I laid out the piece of vinyl. Hey, Rock. So I laid out the piece of vinyl like a couple of days, and then here it is. Like it takes up like so much room, bro. Like the cab is not that big at all. Hey. So it's been kind of like, I guess, like freeforming and kind of like, because it's like all bent up in a box. So yeah. Okay. Fucking update, bro. This shit don't fit. Not really. I mean, it kind of does, but a lot of it, I don't know. They just give you like a general ass like dynamic that you figure it out on your own. And they tell you in the instructions that to figure it out pretty much. Would I do this again? Fucking hell no, bro. I would just bedline it. Like honestly, bro, I would just bedline the floor. But I feel like, you know, bedlining the outside and the bedlining the floor, but that almost seems like a little bit of a bedliner overkill. Might as well just bedline this whole thing, bedline the whole interior, bedline the steering wheel, bedline the seats, just bedline it all. What I'm working with now, I have it all trimmed out pretty much. I might try to like a heat gun and like press down some of the wrinkles, because it did wrinkle up a little bit, and some actually a lot on the passenger side, but driver's side is pretty good. As far as like it being flat, there's like a little bit of wrinkling, but not too much. Right now I'm trying to get the holes lined up for the seats. I have one side screwed in, but the other side is, yeah, it's being a pain in the ass. Other than that, yeah, it's going good. Just bedline this shit, bro. Do not buy a fucking vinyl floor. Just buy a bed liner, pull out the old carpet, spray the shit with bed liner, and be done with it. Let it dry, and you be done in like an hour. And just let it dry and put it back in. All right, so we finished it up finally. Definitely doesn't fit like perfect, but it doesn't look too bad, I guess. Let me do that. There we go. Like around like right there, like around the bell housing, the shit doesn't even line up for real. Here's the back. You can kind of see in there. It looks pretty good, I guess. It looks almost like bedliner. Should have bedlined it. No, don't ground it. Huh. And so it's this side. Now this side was a problem, like all these wrinkles and stuff. Not really sure how to get this wrinkle part out now. For like to be honest, kind of like stomp it like up that way. I don't know, bro. It's kind of like one of the pain in the asses about vinyl. Getting your like this, it doesn't even fit like around the bell housing at all. So to make it clear, I would not recommend stock interiors at all. Like hell no, I would no, not even close. But they have like a policy like where if you trim it up, then you can't even use it again, or you can't send it back. So would I do this again? No, absolutely not. Did it work for me? Yeah. Am I satisfied with the way it came out? No, not really. I'm gonna, like, I guess try to tweak with the passenger side a little bit more to kind of get some of the wrinkles out. I mean, everything else went up all right, I guess, but around like the bell housing and shit like that, bro, it just ain't going right. And look at some like the other reviews, and they really didn't like say it was too good either. But shit, we're gonna run with it. Now we're gonna work on the power for the amp for the sound system in the blue truck, and I gotta wash this bitch too, the black truck. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's pretty much wraps up the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, anything like that, leave it down below. I'll be happy to answer it. Remember, don't do this. Just bedline the floor and get it over with. You be good. What the hell are you doing?
That fucking shit would have cooked.
Go get a pair of pliers. Go get a pair of pliers.